All right, so in section 9.1, we are analyzing Euler's formula. So basically what this says is that the number of vertices of a convex polyhedron minus the number of edges plus the number of faces is always going to be equal to 2. So in this prism we have here, we're going to count our vertices. So remember the vertices are the sharp corners. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 vertices. Edges are the lines that make up the sides, right? So like the long corners. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one in front is 10, the back is 11, and this one here is 12. So you can kind of think of those as like the folds of the box, like how many folds it has would be your edges. So that would be 12, and then the faces, so like the actual flat sides. So we have one on the top, one on the bottom, and then one, and then this front one is 2, 3, and then this back one is 4. So that makes a total of 6. So 8 minus 12 plus 6 is going to be equal to 2. So you just need to be able to, in order to plug the numbers into the formula, make sure it equals 2. All right, the other thing we talked about was cross sections. So basically, if I were to take this cone and slice it in half, the shape where I slice it would be a circle, right? If I go straight across. But if I go at like an angle, it would look like an oval. Or if I come straight down through the bottom, that would be a triangle. Or if I cut this way, it would kind of be like a little loop, but with that flat base part. There's a really great example on page 339 at the top that shows you with the slices kind of like through it, so you can see what that looks like.